Most people aren't bad learners, they're just using the wrong system. If AI is in your pocket, you don't need more motivation, you need a smarter method. Today I'll show you how to become a meta learner, and it changes everything. So, what exactly is a meta learner? The concept is beautifully simple yet incredibly powerful. A meta learner is someone who learns how to learn. Instead of focusing solely on the what of a subject, the facts, the figures, the formulas, they master the how of the learning process itself. They don't just consume information, they build a system for acquiring, practicing, mastering. This shift is the difference between being a passenger in your own education and being the driver. A traditional learner might reread a chapter. A meta learner plans before reading. They set clear goals and break them into manageable steps. They target the most crucial components instead of trying to learn everything at once. They build robust feedback mechanisms, identify mistakes quickly, understand why, and practice to correct. This is where AI enters as your ultimate learning partner, coach, tutor, editor, tester, planner. AI is not just a source of information, it is the engine for your learning system. Think of it as an on-demand assistant that can wear many hats. Many people pour countless hours into studying, only to feel frustrated by their slow progress. They read their notes, they reread their notes, they highlight entire chapters, they cram late at night, they feel busy, but it's often just an illusion of competence. Rereading is passive. Highlighting creates a false sense of knowing. Recognizing a phrase isn't the same as recalling and applying it. These methods create a demoralizing cycle. Enthusiastic starts fade. They consume info, practice the wrong things, don't improve, then quit, thinking they're not good at it. The real culprit: one missing ingredient. Most learning fails because people don't have a feedback system. Without immediate, specific, actionable feedback, you're learning in the dark. Meta learner with AI creates a tight loop of practice, correction, and sustainable progress. The very first step in any successful learning journey is to define your destination with absolute clarity. Vague goals like "I want to learn Spanish" or "I want to get better at math" are recipes for failure. Transform fuzzy aspirations into a concrete, well-defined objective. Skill, context, why, level, time. Imagine you need to improve in Algebra I to pass a final exam in 30 days, 45 minutes per day. I want to learn the core concepts of Algebra I to confidently pass my final exam in 30 days. I can commit to 45 focused minutes daily. This clarity is the foundation for your plan. Leverage AI as your strategic coach. Don't ask for answers. Ask for a map. Use AI to create a structured, realistic, personalized roadmap aligned to your goal, timeline, and availability. Example: I want to learn algebra for my final exam. I have 45 minutes per day. Design a 30-day plan. AI outputs a week-by-week plan. Deconstruct large goals into small, manageable micro-skills. Turn a mountain into climbable hills for focused practice and quick wins. Algebra. Variables and expressions. Solving linear equations, inequalities, factoring polynomials, graphing linear functions, word problems. Learn in isolation, then integrate, preventing knowledge gaps. AI identifies sequence and common pitfalls, like an expert teacher anticipating where you'll get stuck. Example 1. Simplifying expressions. Mistake: order of operations. Practice: 10 mixed operation expressions to simplify. Focus on the critical 20% that drives 80% of results. For languages, top 300 words, greetings, directions, ordering food, more useful than rare grammar rules. For speaking, strong opening, 3 main points, memorable closing. Ask AI to act like an expert teacher and distill core concepts with examples and a short quiz. Example: focus on 1-step and 2-step linear equations, then take a 5-question quiz. This is the engine. Real learning happens here. Passive learning builds familiarity. Active recall and application build fluency. With AI, the loop shrinks from days to seconds. Attempt, submit, get detailed assessment. Treat AI as a strict grader. Your goal isn't a perfect score, it's to uncover weaknesses. Then request targeted drills to fix weak spots. Example: 10 questions on factoring polynomials, then grade strictly and assign drills. Learning is iterative. Review weekly, then adjust. What worked well? Where did you struggle? Which methods worked best? Act like a scientist. Use data, scores, time spent to reallocate focus. If you're fast at simple equations but weak at word problems, shift 2 sessions to word problem drills. Example A. A student levels up in math using AI practice sets. AI grades strictly and explains mistakes like a patient tutor. Example B. A teacher plans instruction faster. AI generates lesson hooks. It builds exit tickets and rubrics in minutes. Example C. An adult uses AI for interview prep, mock questions, feedback, improved answers. They build Excel data skills through focused practice sets. AI evaluates scenarios and suggests improvements. Same system, different goals. If AI is in your pocket, you don't need more motivation. You need a smarter method. This is the biggest shift in personal learning since the printing press. Don't just use it for quick answers. Use it as a personalized learning coach. AI provides structure, feedback, and personalization, like tutoring without the cost. The meta learner uses AI as a lever, not a crutch, to accelerate mastery. The temptation to use AI as a shortcut is immense. Generate instant answers, solve problems, write essays, but letting the tool do the thinking defeats learning. The goal isn't just a correct answer, it's building mental machinery to produce answers independently. AI should not replace your brain. It should train your brain. Think of AI like a leg press. It only works if you're the one pushing. Use AI to provide resistance, guide form, and spot weaknesses, but do the mental lifting. Always attempt on your own first. Embrace the struggle. This is learning. Then use AI for hints and corrections. Ask follow-ups. Can you explain it differently? Why that step? Common mistakes? Difficulty is desirable. The struggle is productive. Use AI to build lasting skills, not shortcuts. I invite you to take on the 7-day Meta Learner Challenge. Pick one small, manageable skill. The key is consistency, 30 to 45 minutes a day. Day 1, clarify. Use the Step 1 prompt to set your goal and roadmap. Day 2, break down. Use Step 2 to define micro skills. Day 3, learn the 80 Taoist Tao to Baodi Taoni. Use Step 3 to get Essentials Plus, a short quiz. Day 4, practice plus feedback. Use Step 4 to get graded sets. Day 5, drill. Target your biggest mistake. Day 6, apply and test. Build a tiny project or run a test. Day 7, review and upgrade. Use Step 5, prompt plus template. This closes the loop and sets you up for continuous improvement. If you can learn faster, you can change your whole life faster. Become a meta learner, and you'll never feel stuck again.